We are making huge progress on the G37. Now let me go ahead and show you guys. These videos are probably going to be so out of order from the time you're going to see them, but yes. So we have this one looking good. Been working all of this, trying to get that body line to flow, and it's looking really good. So I'm super happy, but today's focus is not the body of the car or anything. We're gonna go ahead, get this bumper removed, and we're gonna get all the electrical, the horn, everything like that, all mounted up and sitting proper, so everything is good to go. In case we want to drive it, we technically can, rather than just having all of that sit on the floor. So that's the game plan for today, guys. So first things first, let's go ahead and get this front bumper removed. Easy peasy. So now, guys, what we're gonna do is pretty much like I said, we're gonna be getting all of this stuff mounted up. So we have this bar that we can use as well, and I'm gonna be utilizing this as well. I have this steel that I got from Home Depot, and pretty much we're just gonna see what we can try to make happen. We're just gonna try to get this all looking really good. This right here, maybe not. But yeah, I'm gonna be welding definitely some stuff to this, most definitely. So with that being said, I'm just gonna set you guys on a time lapse, and I don't really know the game plan. I'm just gonna kind of try to hold things up, see how it is. Man, it is hot in here. This has to come off, and we're gonna kind of just see what we can try to make happen. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got all of that done, and we just got a new package in the mail, which we have right here. So we have the G37 hood shocks, and then these are some universal hood shock mounts, since we don't have any, and that way we don't have to keep using this. So pretty much we're just gonna go ahead and get these on. These are gonna snap into place just like so. And then I'm assuming that piece right here, we're gonna end up probably putting like right here or so. We'll end up getting it welded in. First, we'll probably just throw a self-tapper. That way we can make sure it's in the right spot, and if it is, then we'll go ahead and get that welded in. Let's go ahead and pop the other shock in, and then throw in a self-tapper, and hopefully it works. Nothing but just that holding it up, but the test really is to see if it will close, but I think I want to go ahead and get that one on first. There it is, both of them are on. They're pretty angled. This one seems angled more, but I mean, it's there. So now the ultimate test is, will it actually, oh, those are extremely strong. Oh my God, it just pushes everything down. Wow. I don't know if this will work actually. Those are very strong. We might even have to put the bottom piece like right on top, so you know what I mean. But let's just see if it works, I guess. I need to look up reference pictures and see how does that work exactly. They might actually be too close. It might actually have to come somewhere in this area. Actually, thinking about it, looking at the reference picture that I had, I think that is correct. If you look, I'm looking at this reference picture. This is beginning right where all the electrical lines are at, which would be here and here. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna play around with it though and see if we can get it to work. You guys ready for this? Check it out. Both are on. So we pretty much just had to move it a bit. Both on in the same spot, and oh, they are so strong. They close. How sick is that? Then we still need to get the popper, but pop that. Let me get up in here. Where's this one at? I literally can do this now for the most part blindfolded, or I can do it without seeing. And then pop. That thing pops right up. One thing that I noticed though, let me take my phone out. It's supposed to latch. It doesn't look like it is, so we might have to adjust that a bit, but nonetheless, check this out. That is so awesome. I know it's such a weird thing, but I've never had a car, guys, that had, oh yes I did, the LS400. I take that back, but it's still cool. This car had the little stick thingy. No longer, guys, no more. This thing freaking boom. That is so cool. So all of this is gonna get welded in. These are gonna get welded in. I'm probably just gonna put a couple packs. Boom, boom, and boom. This too, and same thing on that side, of course. But yo, how awesome is that? One other thing I want to do is I want to put a spacer in here so this doesn't move around. I'm gonna probably have to tack all of this up soon because yeah, these things come loose. But nonetheless, guys, we got hood shocks. So now we have hood shocks. We have the whole front end done. So technically, if I wanted to, we can drive this car out on the road. Throw everything together and we're pretty solid. Nothing's gonna be dragging. Oh, I'm so happy. So happy, guys. But that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave today's video off. I know it was fairly short, but huge progress. We got everything done. We got the hood shocks. I'm super happy about that. The horns are mounted. We made this little bracket. This is mounted. So everything is super solid. I'm so happy, guys. But I hope to catch you all in the next one, guys. Until next time, as always, peace out.